is something that's beautiful. Love is something that grows from a man and being shared to a woman. Love is something that you cannot buy with money. Love is something that cannot be shaken. If you love a person, it's beautiful when they love you back. iKalamba Films is there to capture all your moments of love. We make sure that we bring you quality videos and quality pictures so that everyone can see the beauty of love. Remember, love cannot be shaken. Love is something that is gold. Something that is a treasure. Love is unexplainable. Love should be extraordinary. Love is love.
Igama lami nguMdumseni Ngwaqulu. Sisuka eKhaleni sizelana etsheni sizokwembesa ekhweni lami kaMhlongo. Sizokwembesa unana Funane owakamhlongo. Sijabule kakhulu njengoba ubona yonke into inhle la kujatshulwe. Kumnandi nje nawe uyayibonela.
Igama lami nguNana kwaMamhlongo Xulu, la ekhaya kwaMhlongo. AbakwaXulu bafike ngokuletha ibizo. So usuku nje olukhulu kakhulu kimi, olubalekile futhi kimi ukubona abazali bami bezojabula kangaka. Nangokuzidla nje ukuthi ingane yabo kuze kufike isikhathi esikanjena. Ngibonge kakhulu nje ngijabulile.
Mina ngilala ngedwa, oh sweet my love. Ekhaya bayojabula mabekubona, oh sandwasa. Awuqome ntombi nini mina ngilala ngedwa, oh sweet my love. Ekhaya bayojabula mabekubona, oh sandwasa. Awuqome ntombi nini mina ngilala ngedwa, oh sweet my love. Ekhaya bayojabula mabekubona ntombi sandwasa. Awuqome ntombi nini mina ngilala ngedwa.
iKalamba Films.